Adding an image to your Weebly website is a simple process. Follow these steps to add images to your pages or blog posts. Log into Weebly. Go to weebly.com and log in with your account credentials. Access the website editor. From the Weebly dashboard, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Site to open the website editor. Choose a section to add the image. Navigate to the page or blog post where you want to add the image. Click the plus button or select the area where you would like to place the image. Drag and drop the image element. In the left sidebar, you will find an image element under the build section. Click and drag it to the desired area on your page. Upload your image. Once the image element is in place, click on it to open the image editor. You can either upload an image from your computer by clicking Upload Image, or select an image from the Weebly image library if you've previously uploaded images. You can also paste an image URL if you're linking to an external image. Adjust image settings, resize, crop, and adjust the image to fit your design. You can also add a caption or link if necessary. Publish. Once you're satisfied, click Publish in the top right corner to make the image live on your website.